Here I've got TCL 20 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you need to open the messages, then click on Start Chat, and as you can see currently we are set up with English. If you would like to change the language, tap on Settings icon, pick Languages, select Add Keyboard, and then just choose the keyboard that you would like to apply. As you can see, the list is super long and you will definitely find something suitable. Let me pick Hebrew, tap on Done then you can remove unnecessary language. And let's go back. As you can see, the keyboard language has been already changed. Whenever you would like to change it again or go back to previous language, perform the same action. So just go to Languages, choose the language that you want to apply, remove the one that you want to get rid of, and that's it. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.